Let's be honest, cleaning isn't what it used to be. It feels like no matter how much we sweep, scrub, and vacuum, there's always another mess waiting for us. And if you're anything like me, the last thing you want to do is spend hours on your hands and knees scrubbing floors. But what if cleaning could be easier? What if there were simple, smart gadgets that could cut your work in half and make tidying up feel effortless? Today, I'm sharing 20 of the best Amazon cleaning gadgets that will save you time, effort, and maybe even a little back pain. So sit back, relax, and let's take a look at the cleaning gadgets that will make life a whole lot easier. For those who want to purchase any of the following gadgets, I'll place a link for each product in the description. Say goodbye to tedious vacuuming. The Robot Vacuum Cleaner glides effortlessly across floors, sucking up dust, dirt, and pet hair with its powerful 2,000 Pascal suction. With smart technology, it automatically increases suction when needed, ensuring spotless floors. Wi-Fi compatibility lets you control it from anywhere, making cleaning as easy as tapping your phone. Sit back, relax, and let this smart vacuum do the dirty work for you. Pet owners, rejoice! The Bissell CleanView Swivel Vacuum is your ultimate weapon against stubborn pet hair. Its triple-action brush roll lifts, loosens, and removes even the most embedded fur, while swivel steering makes maneuvering around furniture a breeze. The powerful suction ensures deep cleaning, leaving carpets and floors spotless. Say goodbye to pet hair nightmares and hello to a fur-free home. Tired of dust and crumbs stuck in your keyboard or car vents? The Color Coral Universal Dust Cleaner is the oddly satisfying solution you need. This soft, reusable gel seeps into tiny crevices, picking up dirt with ease. Just press, pull, and watch as it lifts away dust and grime. Perfect for electronics, cars, and even remote controls. Keeping things clean has never been this effortless or fun. Small but mighty, this handheld vacuum is perfect for quick cleanups. Whether it's crumbs on your desk, pet hair on the couch, or dust in tight corners, this little powerhouse gets the job done. The rechargeable battery means no cords, and the lightweight design makes it easy to use anywhere. Keep it in your car, office, or home for mess-free living in seconds. Cleaning knives and cutlery can be tricky, but this clever tool makes it effortless and safe. The blade brush grips both sides of your utensils at once, scrubbing away grease and grime while keeping your fingers protected from sharp edges. Its compact design makes it a must-have for any kitchen, turning a dull task into a quick, easy one. Meet the happiest, hardest working sponge ever. Scrub Daddy changes texture based on water temperature, firm in cold water for scrubbing tough stains, soft in warm water for gentle cleaning, scratch-free and odor-resistant. It's perfect for dishes, countertops, and even car interiors. Cleaning has never been this fun or smiley. No more clogged sinks or slow-draining showers. This reusable tool easily pulls out hair, soap scum, and gunk with its flexible barbed design. Just insert, twist, and pull. Your drain will be flowing like new in seconds. Say goodbye to expensive plumber visits and hello to a hassle-free way to keep your pipes clear. Ever struggle to clean delicate spaces like keyboards, car vents, or jewelry drawers? Dust Daddy attaches to any vacuum and uses soft, flexible suction tubes to lift dust from even the tiniest crevices. No more worrying about sucking up small objects, just pure, effortless cleaning. Tired of scrubbing grout and bathroom tiles by hand? This electric brush does all the work for you with powerful scrubbing action that blasts away dirt and grime. Interchangeable heads make it perfect for sinks, tubs, and even appliances. Your bathroom has never been this spotless. If you find this video interesting so far, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Cleaning gutters doesn't have to be a nightmare. This long-reach brush easily removes leaves and debris without needing a ladder. Keep your gutters clear and water flowing properly. No hassle, no risk, just quick and easy maintenance. Make your stove shine like new. This all-in-one kit removes burnt-on grease, tough stains, and grime, leaving glass cooktops streak-free. The included scrubbing pad and scraper ensure no mess is too stubborn. Say goodbye to dull cooktops and hello to a sparkling kitchen. Say goodbye to messy, germ-filled trash cans. The automatic trash can opens with just a wave of your hand. No touching, no mess, no odors. Its advanced motion sensor ensures a smooth, hands-free experience, perfect for when your hands are full. With a sleek, modern design and odor-sealing technology, it keeps your kitchen fresh and hygienic. Plus, the soft-close lid operates silently, so no more loud banging. Upgrade to a smarter, cleaner way to handle trash effortlessly. Spills and stains don't stand a chance with the portable carpet cleaner. Whether it's coffee on the couch, pet accidents, or muddy footprints, this powerhouse tackles messes instantly. With strong suction and deep cleaning technology, it lifts stains right before your eyes. No scrubbing needed. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for carpets, upholstery, and even car interiors. Keep it handy and you'll never stress over messes again. Say hello to spotless carpets in seconds. Imagine never mopping your floors again, because a smart robot does it for you. The Amazon Robot Mop glides effortlessly across your home, tackling sticky spills, dust, and grime with precision. With intelligent mapping, it knows exactly where to clean and avoids carpets or obstacles. Its powerful scrubbing action leaves floors sparkling, and when it's done, it returns to its dock like a loyal helper. Say goodbye to backbreaking mopping and hello to effortless shine. Your rings, glasses, and watches collect oils, dust, and grime over time, making them dull and dirty. This ultrasonic cleaner uses high-frequency sound waves to gently remove dirt without harsh scrubbing. In just a few minutes, your valuables will look sparkling new, with zero damage. Perfect for delicate items that traditional cleaning methods can't handle. Washing glasses has never been this quick and effortless. The glass cup rinser blasts away residue in seconds with high-pressure jets, reaching every corner for a spotless clean. No more struggling with narrow openings or leftover suds. Just press your glass down and let the rinser do the work. Perfect for coffee mugs, wine glasses, and baby bottles. It's a must-have for any kitchen or bar. Install it by your sink and enjoy sparkling clean glasses with zero hassle. Cleaning your microwave has never been this fun. Simply fill Angry Mama with water and vinegar, pop her in the microwave, and watch as steam softens stubborn grease and grime in just minutes. No harsh chemicals, no endless scrubbing. Just wipe away the mess effortlessly. With her hilarious fuming face, she turns a boring chore into an amusing cleaning hack. Upgrade your bathroom with the touchless toothbrush dispenser, the sleek, mess-free way to get the perfect amount of toothpaste every time. Just insert your toothbrush, and it dispenses the right amount with no squeezing, spilling, or waste. Its hygienic, hands-free design keeps your sink clean and minimizes germs. Plus, with built-in storage, your brushes stay organized and protected. Simplify your morning routine and enjoy a cleaner, more efficient way to brush. The desktop mini vacuum cleaner is your tiny but mighty cleaning companion, effortlessly sucking up debris from keyboards, desks, and even car interiors. Its compact, cordless design makes it easy to grab and go, ensuring a spotless space in seconds. With powerful suction and a quiet motor, it keeps your workspace neat without the noise. Keep it on hand and enjoy a cleaner, tidier desk every day. Transform your home into a spa-like retreat with the Smart Diffuser. Controlled via app or voice command, it fills your space with calming scents at the perfect intensity. Set schedules, change LED colors, and enjoy long-lasting aromatherapy with just a tap. Whether you need relaxation, focus, or a fresh-smelling home, this sleek, high-tech diffuser does it all. No more candles or sprays, just pure, effortless ambience. Breathe in tranquility with the touch of a button. And that's a wrap. These smart cleaning gadgets take the hassle out of tidying up, so you can enjoy a spotless home with minimal effort. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more game-changing home upgrades. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.